Hi, my name is Courtney.
I'm Janice.
Hi, I'm Yana.
Hi, I'm Ava Mystique.
And you might know me from YouTube as Courtney Violetta.
And on Instagram and on YouTube, I'm also known as From A to 4Z.
And my brand new YouTube channel is called Grow with Yana.
You may know me as avamystique.ent on Instagram.
If you're unaware, Hennasooq is launching their incredible bundle boxes this October where you can get a few different products for a huge discount. And who doesn't love a discount? There are 5 different bundles that you can choose from, and I chose the Sweet Honey Bundle Box.
The October boxes that I'm going to be trying out are the Sweet Honey Box and the Ayurvedic Bundle.
And I am excited today because I received my raw natural beauty box from Hennasooq.
And the one that I have received is the Red Raj Bundle.
So let's see what's inside.
This package smells amazing. The first thing that I spy is the Sweet Honey Enriching Hair Nourisher. For my hair, I've tried various brands and nothing worked. But when I tried their Sweet Honey Nourisher, my hair was soft, it was shiny, it just felt like butter, and that feeling stayed for days.
The Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher is also great at moisturizing your hair. It has cassia in it, so it's also strengthening.
This is Sweet Honey Gloss Bar. So I've never used an Ayurvedic gloss bar before.
It has cocoa butter, shea butter, cassia, ziziphus, marshmallow root. It has honey, of course.
So I'm really looking forward to trying this out. And the last thing that is in here, which I have never tried before, is, let's see, organic ziziphus or cedar powder.
Organic ziziphus powder. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this before.
Now for the exciting part, opening the box. Let's see what's inside. First we have Moroccan argan oil, Moroccan Rasool clay, and this beautiful little mixing bowl.
I've been using henna on my hair for the last few years with great results. So I'm quite excited to see what's inside this box. So the box comes with henna kisses, which is a very moisturizing product, I believe. I've used something similar from Hennasooq. I think it was a henna gloss bar, which was so moisturizing and it left my hair very shiny and bouncy. So I'm looking forward to trying out this product as well. The next product inside of the box is henna shampoo bar, which is infused with the red rash henna. I believe it's good for those that already color their hair with henna and want to enhance the red highlights with every single wash. And the last product inside of this box is organic red rash henna, which, like I said, I absolutely adore.
And let's see, what is inside?
The Ayurvedic bundle box.
Organic cassia powder,
Aloe vera powder.
It also has organic amla powder. Amla adds volume to the hair and it also promotes hair growth. All of these products were actually used in my henna recipes, so I'm really interested to see how it all works without the henna itself. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to mix them together as if I'm making my henna recipe without the henna and see if I can get any dye release from the amla. Ideally, I do prefer my hair to be a little bit more dark. My hair is naturally a dirty blonde and I'm trying to get it to be more of my natural color at the root area, up at the top, but it just loves to stay golden. So I think that this would be a really interesting way to see if I can tone my hair with amla. I haven't seen too many people do that before, and I think that this would be the perfect recipe. So maybe if you're somebody who has blonde hair as well and you want to get your hands on this box, you could try this out as well.
So I think what I will do is I will add these powders with the ziziphus and I will create a cleanser and then I will follow up with the gloss bar and see how that goes.
For the mask, I mixed 4 tablespoons of ziziphus powder with 2 tablespoons of kaolin clay, 1 tablespoon of amla powder, 1 tablespoon of cassia powder, and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera powder.
I left the mask on my hair for 60 minutes. The Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher is my go-to product, and of all the Hennasooq products that I tried, that is the one that I love the most.
So the plan is to use henna shampoo bar first, followed by full-on red rush henna coloring treatment. I'm going to mix it with warm to hot green tea this time, and we'll add organic aloe vera powder from Hennasooq as well. This will really help prevent my hair from being dry from the henna mixture. I will then use henna kisses again to condition and moisturize my hair. This would be a fantastic mask to finish on. I'm not going to mix it with anything, just use this product as is to see exactly the effect of this product on my hair. I'm so happy with the results. This is exactly what I needed. My hair are definitely much softer, they're so shiny. You can see the difference from the before footage. They're bouncy, more manageable, and every time when I color my hair with henna, it gives me a nice rich brown and red highlights in the sun.
I'm a fire performer as well, so you can imagine how sweaty you get performing with fire on any given day, and also combining that with the smoke and the soot from the flames. And as a dancer in general, it's just a very active lifestyle that causes you to get sweaty and quite frankly dirty. So it's really important that I implement things in my regimen that detoxify and cleanse my skin and my hair. I already did a Moroccan mud mask today, and now it's time to get this hair detoxified as well. I pay close attention to the ends because they're always more dry. Next, I'm going to cover with a shower cap and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to seal in the moisture with the Moroccan argan oil. And the results are gorgeous. Look at these curls. I want to add a little bit more shine, so I'm going to put some more argan oil in. And the results are nourished, bouncy curls. Literally brought my hair back to life. So pretty.
So there you have it. I hope you grabbed your bundle box before they sell out. They definitely sell out quick. So see which one matches your hair type the best and go with your gut. There's so many options to choose from, and I'm so excited for you to go on your healthy hair journey no matter where your hair is at now.